How to fix unmountable boot volume in Windows 10. First, start your PC and press your F9 key repeatedly to access the automatic repair screen. If your F9 key doesn't work, try your other F keys like F8, F7, etc. if you still can't access the automatic repair screen. First, start your PC and press the power button while it tries to load Windows to force it to shut down. Do this 3 times in a row to access the automatic repair screen. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup. Repair. Select your account type in your password. If you don't have one, just press Continue. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, select Command Prompt now, type Bootrec fixmbr, and then press Enter. Type Bootrec fixboot, and then press Enter. If you get access tonight, type the following command, then try again. Type Bootrec fixboot, and then press Enter. Type BCD edit export C:/BCD backup, and then press Enter. Type A trib C:/boot/BCD-H-R-S, and then press Enter. Type renzi:/boot/BCD_BCD.old, and then press Enter. Type Bootrec rebuildbcd, and then press Enter. Type Y, and then press Enter. Type exit, and then press Enter. Press. Continue to restart if that didn't work. Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Press System. Restore press. Next, select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Press Reset. This PC select. If you want to keep your personal files, press Reset. This PC now wait for Windows to reset. If that didn't work, click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt, type CHKDSKD:/F/R, and then press Enter D. Being my hard drive, yours could be C or E, etc. Now wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and press Enter to leave CMD. Press Continue. Now your problem should be fixed. You